It was a new semester in the university and Chase was just settling into her new routine. Her life was simple, quiet, and calm. Her days consist of classes and study sessions. Until one afternoon when suddenly everything has changed.
This is Shane. She was far from Chase's personality. She's friendly, outgoing, and she was just free.
After the encounter, they just seems connected at some point. They always saw each other in the school cafe, group projects, and even in library. Then Shane finally decided to take the first move.
Honey, you should go first muna. I have to talk to someone. Bye-bye! Hi, you're Chase, right? Yeah. Mind if I join? Sure. Are you okay? Kasi lately I've been noticing that you're always alone. So I decided to come up to you and ask if you're doing okay.
I'm fine. It's nothing. I just like this. You know, the natural me. I never like to socialize with others. I just grew up scared of people and then never away. I'm not like you.
Honestly, I understand you. Kasi whenever I'm at home, I wasn't like this. I was more like you. Quiet, alone, and too scared to express what I feel. So I just express it here, far away from my family.
Paikot-ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli. Aaminin ko pa, o baka bigla lang mawala kung ano mang pumapagitan sa ating dalawa. Naisip mo ba sa mga oras na tayo'y magkasama, kung ano tayo sa buhay ng isa't isa? Paikot-ikot lang mula nung mailang gawa ng iyong tingin at ngiti. Di sinasadyang mahulog mahibang, aasa na tayo sa huli. Araw-gabi, tanging ikaw ang nasa isip.
After they talked, they started being friends and even went out together, hanging out all the time. They just seemed to be inseparable. Hey Chase!
Zeke, buka.
Thank you.
Shane, this is Zeke, my childhood friend. Zeke, this is Shane.
Hi, I'm Shane. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Zeke. Nice to meet you too. What are you guys doing? When's your upcoming exam?
Next week.
Until one day, somebody happens to be there to ruin them.
Can we talk about something?
Sure, what do you want to talk about?
I know it's kind of early, but I've been meaning to tell you about it.
Chase, I know we've been hanging out and happy being together, but I still don't know what or how I feel about you.
It's okay, no pressure. Naiintindihan.
Hey! Hey! You want any help?
Sure, where?
Just at the park? Maybe?
Chase decided to left too. Then she saw them walking.
Konting pilit pa ba ang kailangan? O sadyang di ako ang gusto? Konting silip naman sa aking nararamdaman sa'yo mawabuhay. Dahan-dahan ang ihika ang katawan ng iyong malamang di ka nag-iisa.
Hey, I've been meaning to tell you something, like, this past few hangouts kasi, and this past few months, like, parang my feelings are starting to grow. You know na, parang, I'm starting to really like you. Like, parang nagkakagusto ako sa'yo, ganun, and, yun.
Really? Vic, I still don't know what I feel right now. So, let's see if kung ano mangyari.
Ikaw, agso pala ako.
Hindi ah. Hindi. Sus.
Kakawin mo nga lang eh.
Sus.
Tulog ka na nga.
La 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 la. Whoa, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Kahit tagal din na ito'y kinikimkim, kung sasabihin ba ay diringgin. Aaminin bang tinatagong lihim, pag-ibig mo ay tangi kong hiling. Parang isang pagsusulit na bawal magburawan sa itapat walang kopyahan. Pag-isipang mabuti, pagkat isang tanong lang naman. Keep na ba? Ano na? Sure na ba? Sige na, ang ayoko lang naman ma-feel out of place. Game na ba? Ano na? Sure na ba? Oo na. Wala nang bawian, mamatay man, but you know it is. No, 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 oh, no, 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 oh. Wala nang bawian, mamatay man, but you know it is. No, 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 oh, no, 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 oh. Wala nang bawian, mamatay man, but you know it is.
They started to get to know each other and then went out often until Shane finally realized that she actually feels the same for Zeke.
I have something to tell you. About last week, I don't think I can love someone that has the same gender as me. And I also want you to know that I like Zeke a lot. I'm sorry, Chase. I'm really, really sorry. Bye.
Hot shot, running to my mind like vertigo. Oh my, magkalilis na. Birds! Rosa! Ano ba? Uy, ikaw nakita kita. Nagkakagusto ko dun sa chinita, no? Yung masayawi. Yung parang umiilaw. Yung mata mo na umiilaw pag nakikita siya, no? Tapos ngumingiti ka pa. Hindi ka naman ngumingiti halos pag ibang tao ka sa akin.
Kaibigan mo yun.
Kaibigan. Sus! Kailan ka pa nagkaroon ng kaibigan ng ganyan? Look! Huwag mo nang i-deny!
Kaibigan na.
Huwag mo nang i-deny. Nagkakagusto ka din, Ferd.
Gusto mo no? Kaibigan ko lang yun.
Gusto ko?
Gusto mo?
Hindi ah. Eh, baliw. Ikaw nagkakagusto, nililipat mo pa sa akin.
Hindi.
Angas mo. Angas ka. Angas ka? Angas ka? Ano ngayon? Tulak mo ako ngayon. Tulak mo ako.
Zeke,
What?
I have something to tell you.
Oh, ano yun?
I like you too.
Seryoso ka dyan?
Yes, why?
You really like me?
Yes,
Nare-reciprocate mo yung feelings ko sa'yo?
of course, I like you. Why are you laughing?
Come on, Shane. Did you really think na magkakagusto ko sa isang katulad mo?
Of course, that's what you told me.
That's why you're so easy to manipulate, Shane. Pinapaniwalaan mo lahat. Kala mo lahat ng tao totoo sa'yo. You believe everything that they say. I've been manipulating you, Shane. I don't like you. Everything has a price, Shane. I'm just using you.
You don't deserve someone like me, Zeke!
Hey, nagawa ko na. I already broke Shane's heart.
Tapos na ang deal. Bibigay ko na lang sa mama yung pera.
Sige. did you want to meet here?
I will offer a deal.
What deal?
I want you to manipulate Shane into falling in love with you.
How do you want to do it and what do you mean?
I want you to manipulate her into falling in love with you and then break her heart. So I can be the light in her darkness.
Sure, I can work with that.
Thank you.
After the exhausting day, Shane goes home and she wishes that it's all just a dream. Just a dream.
Sabi yun.
Sasabihin niya ako sa'yo.
Wala akong bakit sasabihin mo!
Shane!
Sige sa gusto!
Paayo mo sa akin!
Ako ba?
Hindi ka para sa akin. Di walang maaagaw sa'yo.
Missing ka na! Missing ka ginawa mo? Bakit mo ginawa to? Bakit? Huwag mo ako hawakan. Bakit mo to ginawa? Bakit? Anong ginawa mo, Zing? Anong ginawa mo? Anong ginawa mo?
Just a dream.
Bago ng ulo. Bakit nang tingin eh? Bisaya ka. Nasaktan, boy! Best friend kita, boy!
Cut naman!
Deserves our life music.
Nice cooperation.
Pwede ba sa tita, be? Yan. Turo sa malayo.
무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다.